Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future of luxury performance SUVs. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Maserati Levante Folgore, a vehicle that's not just a car, but a statement. Maserati is going all electric, and the Levante Folgore is leading the charge. Buckle up because this is going to be electrifying. Let's start with the design. The Levante Folgore retains Maserati's signature Italian elegance, but amps it up with a futuristic twist. The aerodynamic profile isn't just for show. It's engineered to slice through the air, maximizing efficiency and performance. And those LED headlights, they're not just lighting the way, they're making a statement. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Or rather, what's not under the hood. The Levante Folgore is powered by a tri-motor all-electric setup. That's right, 3 motors working in perfect harmony to deliver mind-blowing horsepower. We're talking about a vehicle that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the blink of an eye, all while being whisper quiet. This isn't just an SUV, it's a high-performance machine. Maserati has always been about blending luxury with adrenaline, and the Folgore is no exception. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through mountain roads, this car delivers an experience that's pure Maserati. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams sophistication. The Levante Folgore is packed with cutting-edge technology, from its intuitive infotainment system to its advanced driver assistance features. But it's the little details, the hand-stitched leather, the carbon fiber accents, that remind you this is a Maserati. Driving the Levante Folgore is an experience like no other. The instant torque from the electric motors gives you that thrill of acceleration, while the adaptive air suspension ensures a ride that's as smooth as it is dynamic. It's luxury and performance perfectly balanced. But the Levante Folgore isn't just about performance, it's about the future. Maserati is betting big on electrification, and this SUV is a cornerstone of that strategy. It's a bold move, but one that positions Maserati as a leader in the luxury EV market. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Maserati Levante Folgore the electric SUV of your dreams? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because the future of cars is here and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation.